One of the very first Tesla Giga Berlin Model Y vehicles that were given to the owners on the opening day of Giga Berlin personally by Elon Musk got into an accident. Now that vehicle has to wait several weeks for a bumper job. One of the first 30 customers, you remember, who waited 3 years to receive their key of the made in Giga Berlin Model Y from Elon Musk upon the opening of Tesla's new Gigafactory in Berlin, already managed to get into an accident, rear-ended by an Audi at a red light stop. This owner was told that the bumper replacement on his Model Y or repair will take a few weeks, mainly while the shop is waiting for the Model Y parts to arrive. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up if you find this report interesting. So Tesla CEO Elon Musk, if you remember, last Tuesday personally delivered the first made in Germany Model Ys to their new owners earlier this week. Sadly, just 2 days later, and one of those first 30 vehicles has been involved in an accident. The particular Model Y performance involved in an accident was Giga 0012, the number 12 officially built by Gigafactory for sale, owned by Minenbusch York, who shared photos of the damaged SUV on Facebook, reports Drive Tesla. According to York, he was rear-ended by an Audi driver while stopped at a red light. Thankfully, there were no injuries, so that's the good part. York told Drive Tesla he has already dropped the electric SUV off at the body shop and they will be evaluating the damage. The damage appears to be relatively minor, but will likely take several weeks for the requested parts to arrive and be repaired. So be careful, guys. Even if you're careful drivers, drive defensively. But in this case, York couldn't do much because he was stopped at the red light and he was rear-ended by an Audi. Now, speaking of the repairs and parts, that will be painful pill for York, says Drive Tesla, to swallow, who has been waiting to drive his Model Y performance for 3 years since he placed his order for made in Giga Berlin Model Y. Now that Giga Berlin is up and running, we should start seeing Model Y performance SUVs on the streets of Germany and Europe. Until now, only the long-range variant has been imported from Gigafactory Shanghai. Now, York and people like him need to wait a little bit longer. You remember starting signal in Grünheide, Tesla's new electric car factory near Berlin, has been officially opened and given last Tuesday. The US group celebrated the opening of its plant on Tuesday with a delivery day event. Tesla founder Elon Musk handed over the first vehicles produced in Brandenburg to customers. Chancellor Olaf Scholz and Federal Minister of Germany of Economics Robert Habeck also attended the inauguration of the Gigafactory in Grünheide in Brandenburg at the start of the plant. Scholz and Habeck also praised the €1 billion investment by Tesla. So guys, if you have any words of comfort for York, please write in the comment section below. He can, in the meantime, I guess, be a little patient until the parts come. I'm sorry this happened, but I'm just reporting this to let you know that, guys, be careful, be defensive to keep yourself away from incidents like this. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up, please. And peace to the world. Have a great day. See you soon in our next Tesla report. The big question right now about Tesla Giga Berlin is when or whether Tesla is starting to deliver more Model Ys, selling more Model Ys from Giga Berlin. Because we know it's easy to start production, but it's difficult, very, very difficult to start mass production of vehicles, especially in a newly built Gigafactory. And now you're seeing a very unique image that is a little bit telling. You're seeing these two trucks that are from Tesla Giga Berlin, and it seems that they are starting to remove or to move Model Ys from the Giga Berlin. But we don't know whether Tesla is moving the Model Ys from Giga Berlin that are pre-production Model Ys that Tesla cannot sell, and if yes, where are they moving them? What is going to happen to those 200 plus or extra Model Ys that Tesla built? Or maybe these are serious production of Model Y already getting ready to go to sale. This image is shared by Jürgen, who tweets GF for Tesla, but credit goes to the Wolfpack Berlin. It's probably from their video, so the credit is due here. And but the good news is that if Tesla is bringing these trucks, that means Tesla is very serious, or the serious production of Model Y is very near. And as today also I have an interesting video from Tobias Lind, who has been flying his drone over Giga Berlin, and he has places there that you can see Tesla is preparing a huge parking lot. I assume those are for the Model Y deliveries that we see at Giga Shanghai and in other Gigafactories. Well, you know, after the speech, looks like Tesla is actually going to have new colors at Giga Berlin. After the speech Elon Musk delivered to Giga Berlin workers at the Gigafactory's grand opening on March 22nd, the Tesla CEO took many questions from the audience. They covered various topics, including Tesla's expansion to other markets, new product launches, new battery technology, and more. One of the questions was about the new body colors that will be available from Giga Berlin, seeing as Musk previously said the plant would have the world's most advanced paint shop with more layers of stunning colors that subtly change with curvature. The chief executive of Tesla confirmed two new special body colors that will be produced at Tesla's first European plant, red and silver. Here's what Elon Musk said. We have to be careful with the total number of colors, but we are going to make some more special colors here, and it's about more than the color itself, but the layers of paint in order to get the diminuality. We're going to make a very special red, which I think probably a lot of people have seen. It's like 13 layers of paint. The layers give the paint dimensionally and make the color look deep and complex. And then we will also have a silver with not as many layers. I think 8 of something. It's still going to be really special kind of liquid silver. So this is very exciting that Tesla is going to have new colors at Giga Berlin, and it's very exciting that Tesla is bringing these trucks to start moving Model Y vehicles from Giga Berlin. But is Tesla going to move the old pre-production Model Ys that were for tests and Tesla cannot sell, or are they for delivery of serious production of Model Ys to new owners that will translate into sales and improve Tesla's bottom line? What do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel. This is Armen Hareyan from TalkNews.com, as I have lots of interesting news coming today. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.